Hey guys, Paul here. Welcome back to the channel. So I have a few more accessories that I wanted to add to my Tesla Model Y. Small accessories that I don't want to spend so much money on. So I found this website the other day called Temu. I'm pretty sure you have seen it everywhere like I did. I've seen it on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, you name it. And the ads that I saw, they're all promoting this really low price products with free shipping. So today I'll buy some of the Tesla Model Y accessories from their website because I want to know if their website is actually legit, because the price is really low and everything, they claim that everything is free shipping. And I'll share with you the whole buying experience, from buying the products to shipping to my house, how long it's gonna take to ship, and then show the product qualities, and I try to fit all of them in my Tesla Model Y at the end. Now let's go. Alright, as I have seen in other ads on different social media channels, that the best way to get it cheapest is that you being a first customers and you use the app on the phone to purchase the orders or products from Temu. So let's get the app first. Alright, the app is downloaded. Now let's open it up. So I'll share the whole experience with you today. Let's see, how it works, and if we can really get that really affordable and really low price products on here. Alright. I guess I will have to first sign in. As you can see, before I even sign in, it said free shipping on all of the orders and then free return within 90 days. Alright, let's sign in. Okay, I will try to find something that I don't already have and it's somewhat useful and it's low price from here. Okay, I think this is kind of cool, but it's not that cheap. So I have the bib for shaving, power bank, sunglasses, tripod, wireless microphone for my phone, armrest for Model Y, the backseat cover for Model Y, and the air vent covers for Model Y, and the storage, underneath storage space for the main screen, the air freshener, and the hook and the tray. That's a lot of stuff for $140. Alright, let's check out. You can pay by PayPal, Apple Pay, or credit card. So they take any credit cards. Alright, they keep warning that some stuff will sell out. So I'll pick a standard free shipping. Express, it's free. But some of them are not eligible for free express. But I'll pick standard free shipping. So I should get it soon. I'm not sure how long. We'll see how long in this video. So the total discount is $221 discount with free shipping. With tax and everything, it's $150. And then I will put in the credit card information. Delivery estimate is April 25 to May 6. And we'll see when we'll get that order. Today is April 14. 10 days. 12 days, so they sent me the confirmation order numbers right away on the text. Alright, now we wait. So it's April 16 today, so 2 days after I ordered it, they shipped out the product. I believe it's because some of the orders that I got, some of the products that I got were the pre-order products or pre-sale products were not ready to ship. That's why they ship out a little late, as you can see here. So I thought I'm doing this Temu website content anyway, so might as well just try to reach out to them. Hopefully I can get some extra discount for all of you here watching this video. So I reached out to them. I didn't expect anything at all because I'm a small channel, so they probably won't even reply my email. Guess what? They did reply my email and gave me this code right here. So by using this code, you'll get extra 30% off on anything on their website. Doesn't have to be Tesla accessories. You can buy anything, shoes, phone, whatever, games, whatever you wanna buy. But I believe you have to be a new user or new account user to use this code. So yeah, don't forget to use the code, which is awesome. I'm surprised they even got back to me. Now let's wait for the orders to come. Alright, I think the first package just showed up from Temu. Here we go, smallest one. I feel like a couple pieces in here. So today is April 24. Yeah, April 24, so it's been 10 days. And the first package arrived. I ordered on April 14, and they promised to have the rest by tomorrow, which is April 25th. So hopefully we get the rest of them tomorrow, and I'll open everything all together. I think the last package is here, and the rest of them should be in this package right there. And today is April 25th, which is exact the day that they promised. We got the other one day early, but this one right on time. All right, let's go open them up. All right, all the packages from Temu finally arrived. So they actually both arrived on time. The small one came in early because they actually came with 2 different carriers, so that's why they didn't get here at the same time, but at least they got here on time. I'm so excited. I'm like a kid on Christmas morning. All right, since they are here, let's open it up and see what came inside. Hopefully everything came in a good shape. Let's open it up. All right, these are everything that I ordered from Temu. Let me pop up all the prices on each item for you. I tested all the electronic stuff, which works, which is awesome. For example, this is 10,000 milliamps right here. This one, 10,000 milliamps power bank with MagSafe compatible, which it works. Let me show you real quick. So you just click the button right here to turn it on. So you can see the percentage showing, and then just put it in the back of my phone right there. It's charging, as you can see. It's charging right now, which is awesome. It works, and it always tells you the percentage of the battery in the power bank. All right, and this is a wireless microphone. So this is $16.59, and it works. I tested it. It has a wireless charging case inside, and this is the microphone itself, and this is where you connect to your phone. Let me show you quick how it works. A voice memo right here, and you just plug it in and just turn this wireless microphone on. Just hold it for a couple seconds and it's on. So it's on right now. Let me record something. Test, test, test. As you can see, test, test. I'm testing the wireless microphone from Temu right now. Now let's hear it. Or something. Test, test, test. As you can see, test, test. I'm testing the wireless microphone from Temu right now. That's awesome. For $16 for my wireless microphone, I don't feel bad if I lose this when I travel. So it's pretty cheap, and it works. That's all I need. And this is the hook for the back seat of the Model Y. So all the Tesla accessory stuff, I'll try to fit it in the car and then show you how they look and how it works. And this is the center console cushion. Looks pretty good, not that bad. So this one was 12 bucks. This is not bad at all. And this is the filter, or blocked the bottom air vent for the rear passenger, so nothing can get in. For Model Y, we'll try to fit that later. And sunglasses. This is $3.98. It's not the best quality sunglasses, but it's for $4. This is awesome. I just need this to work out, ride a bike with my daughter in the morning, which serve the purpose. I tried it on. It's really light, and yeah, worth more than $4 for sure. So that's the back seat protector for Model Y and Model 3, same size. I didn't realize I ordered one. I thought $26 come with 2, but only came with 1. So And this is the quality of it. Let me show you the quality real quick. The quality is really not that bad. It's pretty good actually. So if you want to, that's like $52, which is still pretty good deal on that one. I would try it on. There's only one. I ordered one. This is my mistake. And this is the tray, the center console tray for Model 3 and Model Y. I will test it out too. And this is, let me show you. Put it in under the main display, and then you can put like a keychain, cards, coins, whatever you want to put. So extra storage for underneath the display. I hope the quality is a little bit better on the plastic, as you can see. You know, like it's a better texture on the plastic, but it serves the purpose. We'll test it later. And this is the air freshener for Model 3 and Model Y. This is $6. Well, $6.98. That's $7. We'll test that one too. And oh, the tripod. This one is probably the only one that I'm regretting ordering it. This is $11.88. It's a tiny tripod. It's quite small. As you can see, it's not that long at all. So it's not really stable. Probably use it for like lighting and stuff. Probably not for my camera. But hey, 11 bucks. What else here? Oh, this is the bib. This one is $1.98, I believe. So it's like $2. So I can shave or do a small haircut or trim my hair without making a mess. So all the hair will fall down on here. I just suction cup this thing on the mirror. Right now we see everything. Let me show you how all of the Model Y accessories that I got fit and look in my Tesla Model Y. Let's go. I forgot to mention I ordered the shoes from Temu 2 days ago. Let me show you here. Here I ordered on April 25th and today is April 27th. It's already here. So not everything would take 10 days to deliver. This one took at least 2 days to get the shoes. You know what? Let's open it. That's it. Really cool. So this shoe is really cheap. Actually, look at the price. 11 bucks for shoes. It's probably not the highest quality shoes, but I only need the running shoes to work out inside the house. Let me try it on. So here's the shoes. Actually, it's much more comfortable than I thought it would be. Wow, for 11 bucks and free shipping, that's no brainer. Alright, I got all the Tesla Model Y accessory with me. Let's try to fit it in my car and test it. Let's go. Alright, I'm done installing everything in the car. Let's go check it out. So first, air freshener. It smells really good actually. I was surprised by that, and it fits really well in this vent area right here. I actually recommend that one, and it's really cheap in my opinion. And next, this one. I kind of like this one too actually. Doesn't look that bad at all. It looks pretty decent. But the comfort that adds to the car while you drive, you know, when you put the elbow on and you drive, so much better, you know, on a trip, or you know, tired coming back from work, just rest your elbow on here. Much better than the stock one or whatever. Underneath it's really thin, so I would rate this one probably the comfort 9 out of 10. The look probably 7 out of 10. And next, let's go to the bottom storage of the display. As you can see here, I can fit my keys in here or wallet, not all the way, but I kind of like it not all the way so I can still see it so I don't forget it. The key is good. This small part I could fit a parking card or your highway tolls card that you can scan, something quick that you can grab and then scan. What else? The tray. Okay, so the tray fits really well actually. It fits much better than I thought it would. As you can see here, it fits this area really well. And I can put stuff here, or maybe, you know, burger, sandwich while you park or take a break or supercharge. Yeah, it works great. I hope it has some kind of grip on the bottom, but it does the job because it uses this handle right here to stop it from moving, and it fits this and this here perfectly so it doesn't go anywhere. So I like these, all of these in the front. It's all great, and they are really low price for these stuff. I'll make sure to put all the links in the description down below for all of this. Let's go to the back. Okay, so the one seat back that I got actually worked, because as you can see here, I have this thing on this side anyways, so my daughter won't be kicking the back seat anyway, so I only need one, and it fits well. I like the material actually. For 26 bucks, what was this, 26 bucks? I'm not sure, $20 something for the material. It's really nice, and it still has, because it covers the pocket, the storage pockets underneath, so now it has this pocket instead, which is awesome. And this is the hook right here, so you can put it either there or there, same thing, so you can put like mask or bags or whatever you want to hang on here. And only one more thing that doesn't fit well is this vent, passenger rear vent cover, this one right here. Let me show you real quick. Alright, so I got the lights in here. As you can see, it does the job, but the adhesive doesn't really stick to the plastic to the bottom. But I insert this right here underneath the carpet, this part. It worked. It's not like perfectly fit because the adhesive, this part right here, doesn't really stick to the side. It doesn't go anywhere, so it still blocks whatever small piece of trash, leaves or rings or whatever it might goes in that hole right there from going in. So yeah, it does the job. Not 100% perfect fit, but it still does the job, and it's really cheap. So yeah, so far everything looks good. Here's the back seat cover, looks pretty good. I really like that actually. I'm surprised like how comfy compared to the stock one underneath it. Alright, so that's all the buying experience from Temu website. As you can see in the video, some of them are okay and some of them are really good quality products for really low price. Or let's say if I don't like any of this, I can just return it to them within 90 days for free. So I'm glad that they actually offer the discount for all of you. I'll put the discount code for you again right here. Don't forget to use it. I mean, you can use it to buy anything, not only a Tesla accessory. You can buy shoes or, you know, power bank or microphone or whatever you want to buy, which is really awesome deals. It's probably the lowest price I have seen so far regarding the products wise, and then they delivered as promised. And yeah, thank you so much guys for watching today's video. I hope you liked the video. Please click like if you liked the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome contents like this, and check out the merch just right below this video. We'll see you on the next video. Peace.